Hello, hello, welcome and happy days. Welcome to our last show for 2021 of another virtual open house presented to you by qualityhomescostacalida.com. We have chosen today a property which we have showcased already some 3 months ago, but as it's our last show today for 2021, as you will understand, even brokers go on holiday, so this is the last show today. We are showing you today again on La Isla, I think the most beautiful or best positioned property on Condado de Alhama Golf Resort on La Isla. We are in block 1, we're on the 3rd floor, we're overlooking all Condado de Alhama Golf Resort, and I really am putting all my emphasis into the golf because, as you have heard, maybe we have good news for the golf course. The management of the golf courses, of all golf courses of G&K, have been taken over by the world's largest golf course operator, and we are looking forward to see new improvements and a pristine golf course reckoned sometimes in March coming year. So it's really, we are back to the golf resort pretty soon. Hi Paul, how are you? Actually 15 degrees outside, a little bit chilly here, but beautiful sunshine as you can see. And I'm showcasing today again a 2-bed, 1-bathroom property on La Isla with a massive wraparound terrace offered to you by qualityhomescostacalida.com in another virtual open house. Presented to you by Rupert the broker of qualityhomescostacalida.com. And I'm just wandering here through the terrace to show you the views, and I hope you enjoy with me these views. They're just breathtaking. We had a little bit of a grey start today with some clouds, but in the meantime it has cleared up entirely and we have blue skies now. As I said before, about 14-15 degrees, so it's not really summer temperatures here on Condado de Alhama Golf Resort, but still it's pretty pleasant being here in the sun on this terrace. This property is reference 3593 on our dedicated webpage qualityhomescostacalida.com. And its asking price is only €109,000, sold as seen. Well, that's good to see that your mother's also watching. I hope you're okay and looking forward to see you soon here. Well, I need to go back to my property. So here we go with a 2-bed, 1-bathroom apartment. On the outside terrace, we have a built-in barbecue. We have the storage cupboard where the washing machine is housed. Just let me show this to you quickly. So this is a massive storage cupboard where we have the washing machine here and the electric water heater. As you know, on the island, each property has its own solar support. So most of the time, the energy will be provided through the solar panels on the roof. But enough of the terrace for the moment. Let me have a stroll through the property for you to show you how this looks like. We have lit even the candles here, so we're getting closer to Christmas as it looks like. Views are also, well, as you can see, breathtaking. The colors are, and these are the true colors. I'm just standing here and it really looks like that. It's really amazing. And this property, as we said, is sold as seen, fully furnished, fully equipped with all white goods, all furnishing, all decoration in. Just going now through the kitchen here where we see the dishwasher, fridge, freezer, oven, cooker, extractor fan, well, fully installed kitchen, as we said. Living room wise, well, as you can see, you have a direct view here from the kitchen into the living room, fully air conditioned, not to forget, no? Fully air conditioned, and sold as seen. Reference 3953 on our dedicated webpage, qualityhomescostacalida.com. Thank you very much, Brandon, as well. Merry Christmas to you and Happy New Year as well at the same time. We will be back in January. Well, the office is obviously working, but I will be back on the 10th of January. So we are in the master bedroom. Master bedroom as well, fitted with fitted wardrobe, with bed, well, double bedding, with bedside tables, well, everything what's necessary. And there's even a beautiful mirror where we normally see the broker, not today. We continue to the bathroom, which is, as most of the bathrooms on La Isla, with a bathtub and with all the other necessary mod cons for a bathroom, as we can see here, glass shower screen. And the second bedroom, as it's a 2-bed, 1-bathroom apartment, we do see here, this is our second bedroom as well with fitted wardrobes. Just let me show you the fitted wardrobe here. There we go. That's what it is. Double bed, bedside table, and a nice window up there. So we're coming back to the living room. I mean, there's hardly a better location on La Isla than these two bed on the top floor with the lateral terrace, because on the one side they provide a nice terrace in front, and on the other side they have a massive terrace here aside. We call it the lateral terrace, which has sun all day. And this property has one advantage, that we have always a sunny terrace and a shady terrace. So when the sunny terrace on this side gets sun, the other one over there is already in the shade. The other way around, in the morning you will have sun on this terrace and you will have still shade on this side until the sun comes over. So from this point of view, perfect. Location wise, well, as you can see, we are overlooking the resort entirely. We are in walking distance to the town center Alcázar. By the way, in the town center Alcázar we have some movement, as Military Breaks has moved now out of Condado Club. You remember they have been in one of the squash courts in Condado Club, and they have now moved into the Alcázar Commercial Center. As well, they have taken over the Bocao family bar, and as it looks like, they really worked hard to get it open for tomorrow. And there will be some new offerings for the Alcázar, and we are really looking forward to that, as they're also promising some tapas during the day or already for lunchtime. And maybe for those people who know the resort, Rinku is back on Alcázar, and he will be the manager for Bocao Family Bar. So I think this is really good news, and shows again the commitment of many people, of entrepreneurs and people who want to start business on the Alcázar. There are still units available, so in case you're interested in taking over one of the units in Alcázar, just drop me a line and I will get in touch with you. Might be after my holidays. So, showing you just the views here, which are breathtaking. This is just, that's how it is up here. So you could enjoy this as well for the modest asking price of only 109,000 euros. And this is really an opportunity, because this is a kind, one of a kind, to say. And having this terrace here with the barbecue aside, and imagine having out here maybe a gin and tonic or a glass of red wine or even a beer. Fantastic, no? Mouth-watering thing. Okay, having seen the terrace, I'll just show you quickly again the living room thingy here. Again, views breathtaking. We do see outside the lounge area in the shade. We have already seen the area in the sun. Massive mirror here. As we said, fully furnished, fully equipped at only 109,000 euros. Kitchen as well, fully equipped with white goods and with all mod cons necessary, up to cutlery, as we can see here. Just let me show you. So this is a fully equipped, complete property, which is sold as seen. And I think it would be really worthwhile, in case you think of investing in a property on Condado de Alhama. This would be an opportunity, I think, because it's really value for money. Just showing you again the master bedroom with breathtaking views. Wow, it sounds like agents talk here. But here we go, fitted wardrobes. We do have air conditioning in the living room, as we said. And here we go now with the bathroom again. Yep. There is a mirror, but I try to hide. There we go. And now the second bedroom. Again, second bedroom. Just can make a turn around here to show you as well. The distance to the beach, Wilbert, is about 20 minutes drive. The closest beach from Condado de Alhama is, I would say, Bolnuevo or Mazaron Port. So it's about 20 minutes drive, I would say. Well, this was the second bedroom, and hi-ho!
Rupert, hello!
Anna, hi-ho! How many, do we know how many virtual open houses we did?
No, we don't. Mr. Ben, do you know how many?
Hey, Mr. Ben!
Well, one per
Oh,
week.
here's somebody you maybe have never seen before. This is Mr. Ben. He's normally hiding behind the bushes or whatever in his office. He's the mastermind behind all this, because Ben is taking care of all the technical aspects and of the marketing aspects of these events we are doing. So have we any idea how many views did we have? 500,000?
Views? Or
Events.
events about 50, 60, 70?
70 about, but can we say how many views in total? No.
Well, at least each one between between 3 to 4, 5,000.
So let's say each 5,000 we did about 350 views on that. 350,000, yeah. So wow, these are figures. These are figures. And having said that, because we were always talking about where you can have a nice drink or whatever. Today we will have the drink, but it's not any drink. What we have here now is something which we just found at the Clover pub here on Condado, and this is original Budweiser beer, well, Budva, from the Czech Republic. So this is not the American crap, sorry to say. This is the original Budva beer from Czech Republic, which is now available at the Clover pub. You wouldn't believe it. I was really gobsmacked when I saw it.
I think it's Rupert's one of the
It's honestly my favorite beer. To say, I know it from Vienna because there it's one of the most famous beers, and there's some fantastic restaurants serving this. So now on you guys, we are now having here our last beer for our last virtual open house.
Thank you.
So thank
everybody
you
for watching us, for supporting us, helping us, promoting us. Yeah,
exactly.
it's been a tough year, and we've still got quite a bit left of the pandemic. But
Yes. We're not talking pandemic today, we're just having a beer now. So thank you guys, thank you Ben, thank you Anna for bearing with me for 1 year and a half now. Every Thursday, 5 o'clock, I'm pestering you with my virtual open house again and again and again. So thanks ever so much. It was really great to have you on board, and I'm looking forward to next year. As we said already, we will have some new items in for the virtual open house, which we cannot disclose even now because it's all top secret. But so cheers. I'll have a
carry on, and yeah.
I'll have a beer now.
On behalf of Quality Homes.
On behalf of
thank
Quality
you.
Homes, thank you very much. There we go. Cheers.
Merry
Big
Christmas.
ears. Merry Christmas. Happy New Year. There we go. Let's down it.
Yeah.
Oh.
Nice, very nice.
Ben is Belgian, so when he says nice, this means, because the Belgian people, they know a little bit about beer, so when he says nice, then it is nice.
It's nice, it's nice.
I have to say, it's great. It's exactly the taste. I remember some 30 years ago from Vienna when we still lived there. And in case whenever you come to Vienna, don't miss the so-called Schweizer house, where you get, apart from this fantastic beer, also some famous pork knuckles. So when you combine it, you might have an afternoon which you will never forget. So anyway, having said that, coming out of the terrace, getting the rest of my beer now. I thank you ever so much for listening, for watching our shows. As we just calculated, we had about 350,000 views on our virtual open houses. Statistics says that we have sold nearly half of the houses showcased within the following 14 days after showing. So I think it's also a success story, but we will try and we will keep on working to improve this even for coming year. So I'm really looking forward to show you more properties next year, maybe on different locations, maybe a different setup, who knows. Anyway, thank you ever so much for watching. Thank you ever so much for coming with me.
Yeah, sorry Marcello, you're missing out, but...
Yeah, unfortunately, Mr. Marcello, part of our dream team, is not with us today.
On behalf of the Dream Team.
On behalf of the dream team, thank you very much.
Merry Christmas.
Happy
and
days.
Looking forward to next year.
Merry Christmas, Mr. Ben.
Christmas.
There we go. See you guys. Bye.
Holidays.